The de Broglie wavelength of an electron having 80 electron volt of energy is nearly. क्वेश्चन पूछा गया कि सपोज कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉन है, उस इलेक्ट्रॉन की हमें एनर्जी गिवन है E is equal to 80 electron volt, then what will be the de Broglie wavelength corresponding to that electron? So we know lambda de Broglie is equal to h times h by root of 2 times of mass of charge particle into energy of charge particle. Simply अगर हम values put करें, this is 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by root of 2 times of mass of electron, which is 9 into 10 raised to minus 31, and energy of electron is equal to 80 electron volt, which is 80 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 90. Simply on solving this, we will get the wavelength to be 1.4 angstrom. So looking at options, option D is the right answer.